finally, we are seeing some light at the end of the tunnel here. We can see Warren Davidson. This is really important news in the crypto space, by the way, because we know how responsive cryptocurrency is to legislation and regulation. And of course, when it comes to USA being like the dominating market in terms of market share for cryptocurrencies, it's very important we look at this. So it says it's time for real reform and to fire Gary Gensler as chair of the SEC. Massive news right here. We can see fish eyes Gary just chilling there, looking absolutely distraught as ever. And yeah, we're going to see this happen, guys. So House Republicans introduce bill to remove SEC chair Gary Gensler, restructure agency. So you need to let everybody know about this. Share this with absolutely everyone. Like this video, comment on this video, do all those YouTubey things, and let's get this message spread, because we need this to happen, because Gary Gensler has done a lot of damage, a lot of deleterious moves in the past, and I just think he is so anti-cryptocurrency. So US Congressman files legislation to fire SEC. So, you know, this is, in my opinion, a good thing. It really is. And we can see this is the official tweet right here. It says, news. Today I filed the SEC Stabilization Act to restructure the SEC government and fire Gary Gensler. Oh no, what a terrible day for Gary Gensler. We can see US capital markets must be protected from a tyrannical chairman, including the current one. It's time for the real reform and to fire Gary Gensler as chair of the SEC. I don't know who pays Gary Gensler, but there's got to be an ulterior motive. He must be paid a lot of money to push these sort of agendas that just don't make sense and align with any of the laws that the SEC creates themselves anyway. So yeah, Stabilization Act right here. This is going to be really healthy for cryptocurrency. We could effectively see a continuation of, you know, juicy greenness in the market. We can see the last 24 hours has started to look pretty good. All eyes are on Luna Classic, all eyes are on XRP at the moment as well, but I think overall we're looking at a healthy sort of market correction, and following this wave of FUD over 26.1k Bitcoin, things aren't really looking too bad at all. So breaking news, US lawmakers file the SEC Stabilization Act. He's basically going to get fired. Is that what we're seeing? Question mark. So yeah, this is really good news. United States Rep Warren Davidson has introduced this particular SEC Stabilization Act as well, announced on June 12. We need to get everyone looking at this, and we all need to unite here together for, you know, what's going on in the industry, the market. So well done to this guy right here. You know, this is what we want to see. We want to see this rebellion. We want to see the fight back, and I think it's so important. You can just see there's so much news on this at the moment. Everyone is talking about it. I will play this clip for you. Congressman W Davidson calls out for SEC restructure. So let's just play this together.
Record of failures to protect investors and abuses of power make it clear that we need to restructure the Securities and Exchange Commission. The failures are many, but let me cite some of the abuses. You average more than 2 rules proposals a month. You inappropriately provide inappropriately short comment periods. You have unworkable and unlawful ESG disclosure mandates on the market. You have essentially a Hotel California rule for crypto where you can check in anytime you like, but you can never leave. You have endless discovery with no resolution and no clarity for the captives in the market. You have unworkable proposals for overhauling equity market structure, a de facto ban on crypto through proposed custody rule. You have high staff turnover, unhappy people leaving your office, and unhappy companies and capital leaving our country. I'm introducing legislation that removes the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission and replaces the role with an executive director that replaces the board where all authority would reside.
So this is really good, right? This is big news. This is massive news, because in my opinion, Gary Gensler just wants to move crypto away from the US completely, and I don't know what's going to happen next, guys. I don't know the future. I'm a speculative investor. I don't care if Bitcoin is 20k, 30k, 15k. I'm just buying that bag. You know, I'm getting my hands deep into Bitcoin, regardless of the price, regardless of any external sort of influence, whether it's news-based. I am just purely bullish on the structure of blockchain as being a massive part of the future, just like artificial intelligence probably will be too. So Warren Davidson, of course, has called the shots now. I really like this here, by the way. SEC Stabilization Act. He actually made this himself on his Twitter. We can see the old structure is basically just Gary Gensler, the SEC chair himself, just literally like that, and then, you know, the chain of hierarchy. But now we can see this is the new structure, which just looks so much more healthy, right? It's what we want to see. We really want to see it. We need it. We need younger people, I think, in the crypto space. We're seeing a lot of these, you know, legacy people, 40 to 60 year olds, and whilst they really do understand the traditional financial markets, I don't know if blockchain is truly where they should be leading. I think we need a new group of younger people in the space. If you are new to this channel, make sure you check out my Discord down below. By the way, we've got over 13,000 members. We've got trading signals, we've got pre-sales, DeFi stuff, we've got, you know, Wall Street Beams pre-sale. We've got so much cool stuff that you can check out, so make sure you don't miss out on the Discord down below, because you can join for free or you can join the premium if you want all the trading signals and everything to help you sort of grow and make money in the crypto markets. We are one of the strongest Discord servers out there. We have 4 moderators and 13,000 plus people strong, so make sure you join the Discord down below, guys. Like this video, comment, sub, and I think it's going to be a very interesting time ahead for Bitcoin. Looking at the last month, you know, it's been a rocky one. So 26k at the moment, we hit that 30k, euphoric top, a bit of a falling wedge pattern at the moment, so there's still a possibility to get a bullish reversal here out of the bottom. But at the moment, you know, 21k is still on my cards. Anyways, see you soon, guys. Like this video if you're happy with the news.